Hi,
May we request all guests to stow their beverage happily under the seat or in the storage bins above. If you
Sipag eh, no?
do not wish to perform the functions described, please seated next to an emergency exit.
Mukhang delikado na naman ako.
Gagamutin yung lahat ito po ang nag-register ng 53659 portable electronic devices. We request that you remove all charging cables from the increased power outlet during taxi, takeoff, and landing. In addition, please do not charge any electronic devices, including power banks, during this time.
Name.
Miss?
Miss.
Miss. What's your name?
Ano to pangalan? Ano pangalan? Pulin?
Parang sa...
Pulin. Coincident lang siguro. Coincident.
Ano may apelido?
Ayan. Baka naman.
Malayon, kasi maraming tao sa mundo, pare-parehas ang pangalan.
Pulin. Common yan eh. Common. Oo.
Apelido.
Apelido. Oo. Tanong mo.
Apelido.
Surname.
Surname.
Bakit ba kinikilig na naman ako? Pero ngayon